Hello everyone and welcome in this new video. Today we are going to see how to download Fusion 360 for free or educational license. So let's open our browser. You can select any browser that you want, but I will take Edge for Microsoft, and we write just Fusion 360. When you write Fusion 360, now you can see more link, but we are going to select download Fusion 360 for personal use. So select this, and now you are in this page. You can download Fusion 360 for personal use if you are not a student or educator. But if you are a student and educator, you have to go at the bottom, and now you can select students and educator. If you select on this in new page, you can select get products. So click on this, and now you can choose any software that you want. If it is Fusion 360, select here, and there is a student, educator, or school administrator. So now if you select on a student, they will ask you some information, and you enter this for apply for the license. So let's select, and so now they want to verify if you are a student. So let's take continue, and now you have some information to enter: your address, your address mail, and say continue. After that, they will ask you educational institute, your university, and they will ask you again your educational verification. After all of this, you can submit your application for the license, and it take a few minutes. After that, they will reply to you if you have the license or not. So let's return at the beginning of this page. So now, if you are not a student, you select get Fusion 360 for personal use. Now you have to create an account. If not, you cannot get Fusion 360. I myself have already an account, but I can say next. If you are not Autodesk account, select create account, and you will create your account. So now I select next, and I sign in, and now I have my account here. So if I want to get Fusion 360, they will ask me my email, so I enter this email here, and I say continue. After that, they will ask me my name and all of my information. I enter all of this, and I say okay. But now I have some problem there, and I say okay. After that, they will ask me again some information. I select all of this, and I say submit. Postal code, and what do you primarily plan to use Fusion 360 for? So you can say for modeling or mechanical engineering. So I want to select this, and what is your industry? So if you have not industry, select education. If you have an industry, so you can look for your industry or select another. So after that, I agree for that, and I say submit. After that, now you can select download now. When you select this, select again download, and wait for the download. So now it is finished. So I open this, and I double click on this, and I say okay. So now if you have already Fusion 360, it's not pass, because I have already Fusion 360, but it is the same thing that you are going to do. So now if you are finished to do all of this, you can now use Fusion 360 and enjoy it. So it is that for this video, and we will see in another video how to use Fusion 360 for a beginner. So see you, and thank you for watching.